You guys even move that branch for you?
Oh, that's great.
You want it to break?
If you want to get off, then you're off.
Sorry, I think so loud. I can't hear nothing.
Yeah, if you want to get off, that'd be great.
Yeah. I couldn't hear it. The thing's so loud. I was like, what?
Yeah, I hear it.
Yeah, I can get that out of there for you. Yep.
Ow.
There.
Now it'll be a fishing base right there.
Yep. Now the fish can go there and lay it if they want. Alrighty, we're finally out in the river. Will and I are. Got off work, picked up from daycare, heading out here. I wanted to try shrimp again, but this time with the tail on, but unfortunately all they had was cooked shrimp. So I'm gonna find out how good the cooked shrimp works. I'm also gonna use my Triple S cheese bait. We're just pretty much going for anything. Obviously with a dip bait, mostly catfish. Sometimes you can catch carp, not very often, but it does happen. And drum up with stuff. I'm hoping the cooked stuff works, but we'll find out. Stay tuned.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah.
I love carp. Even when they're not colorful, I just still like carp.
Yeah.
They're not colorful.
Here we go, Willow.
Little fish?
Yep.
Wait, hold on.
There you go.
Is it just a baby?
I think so.
Oh, it's helping me, right, Dad?
Yeah, it's doing two of them. Yep, it's a baby.
Oh, it's a tiny little one. Look at that baby cuckoo. Oh, I don't want the baby cabin,
Yep.
right?
Yep. Take your hand towel.
Wait, Dad, it looks like mine. Dad, can I throw it back in the water with it for them? Does that?
Pliers there too.
There's your pliers.
There should be right there on the floor, I think.
Where? I don't see them.
Where the rag was.
Which one?
I got it, don't worry.
Daddy, can I put the fish back in the
No,
water
because
with
he's
this?
poking me already. Want to touch his tail?
Can I leave him?
Yep.
Bye.
Willow's
Daddy
first,
feed-
little guy. Not very
Daddy
big.
feed Baba. Bye, baby. Daddy feed baby catfish.
Alright. We got one.
Little, right, Dad?
Yeah, he's just a baby.
Yeah, he was like just holding still, right?
Yeah.
Are we catching a fish?
Yep, there you go.
Look!
There you go.
This time it's not, right, Dad?
What?
This one it's not. It's fighting me, right, Dad?
Yep, fighting you. Ooh, excuse me. There you go. Keep fighting it. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Don't give up.
Come on. Woo! These switch hands.
I like that. There you go.
It's fighting.
Yep.
It's fighting.
Okay, it's good.
Oh, what's up? Is it a baby?
A little bit bigger.
Wait, it's the same baby, right, Dad?
No, this one's bigger.
Ooh. Can we keep it? Can we keep it? Can we keep
No.
it? No. Dad, can I just put water just in case?
No, not yet.
Dad, why should you not keep this guy?
We're not keeping it. Alright. Willow, their second one of the night.
Can I fix his
Can you touch his tail? What's his name?
His name is going to be Tiger Diver Flappy.
Tiger Diver Flappy?
Yeah,
Okay.
you know what the polka dots? Blacky one. There.
There he goes.
Raise it back. Bye, Catfish. I love you. He said he wants me back, right, Dad? Because I love him back.
Maybe.
I love him more.
Bye-bye.
I love you too. I call Mom. Caught 3 catfish. Alright, Willow got bored, so I took her back to the boat ramp, and Mom came and picked her up. So it's just going to be me for the next couple hours. We got about 45 minutes in, and of course she got bored like normal. It's a little hard sometimes to entertain her out in the boat. But so far the cooked shrimp is not doing as good as raw shrimp, which I kind of figured that was going to happen, but I guess we'll see what happens. We're going to keep trying. I can say one thing, it's definitely quiet without my daughter. Very quiet. Got a big one on this one. Look at the size of that one. Holy smokes. I should get that one mounted. It's a nice one. Nice and big. Probably about 1.5 pounds. Alright, we'll get this spot probably about 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. And then after that, I'm going to be heading home. Gotta go home, shower yet, eat supper. Get the boat loaded up, take everything down. It'll take a little bit, but hopefully we catch a few more fish before we go home. We'll see what happens. Alrighty, on that note, I'm gonna head home. It's been a pretty slow day. Kinda missed the daughter being out here, having someone to talk to, but that's alright. Kinda used to fishing by myself. But got only a couple good eaters today. Nothing special by any means, a lot of babies. I wanted to go downriver, but don't have much time, only a couple hours. Had to get off work, go get the boat ready, hook up, pull it to the river, pick the daughter up from daycare. It's kind of hectic during the week. It's nicer on the weekends. My weekends have been really busy fixing things around the house and going on little family trips. Other than that, I mean, it's adulthood. It happens. Hopefully, before the summer's over, I can get a couple more camping trips in and actually get on some bigger fish for once, besides these little 1 and 2 pounders. I mean, every now and then 3, 4, maybe a 5 pounder, but nothing special really. But alright, hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.